A man sentenced to 15 years in federal prison after shotgun shells were found in his home is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to review his case. Edward Lamar Young of Hixson was slapped with a sentence in 2013, but his attorney says Young has never been accused of a violent crime. He had no gun and no intention to use the shells. His attorney says Young came into possession of the shells after he helped a widowed neighbor move. But due to a federal law that imposes stiff penalties on certain defendants, Young is paying the price. There's no timetable for the Supreme Court to decide whether it will take up the case.